Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the topic of my discussion is the insurance also typically pays for. Let's discuss the options one by one. The first option that is given here is auto repair or replacement. The second option is loss of use charges from the rental agency up to a limit. Third option is towing charges. The last option is administrative fees. If your credit card rental car insurance is primary, the card helps cover these expenses. If coverage is secondary, the card can help pay for the remaining balance after your personal insurance policy pays the initial claim. Often, that means it just pays your deductible. Next, we are given a tip. Let's discuss the tip that is given in the bracket. If the coverage is not broad enough, you may want to buy the rental agency's damage waiver after ensuring that it covers most or all auto damage situations. Auto claims not covered by rental car coverage. If you have a personal auto insurance policy for a car you drive at home, it likely covers many auto related injuries and damages that the credit card won't. Credit card coverage does not include paying auto insurance claims associated with the following. There are given some points. Let's discuss these points one by one. The first point that is given here is damage to other cars or property. The second point is injury to anyone or anything, including your injuries. The third point is loss or theft of your personal belongings. The fourth point is your liability. Liability means legal responsibility for any damage to others. The second last point that is given here is wear and tear, gradual deterioration or mechanical breakdown. The last point is uninsured or underinsured motorist. The next question that is given here is how is covered? The rental coverage covers the car holder, any other drivers on the car rental agreement, and potentially your spouse or domestic partner. If you let another person drive your rental car and they were not listed as an authorized driver on the rental agreement, any damage they cause in a wreck may not be covered. The next option, coverage amounts. Coverage amounts often limit the cost of repairing or replacing a vehicle. Typically, this is described as the car's actual cash value or based on a manufacturer's original retail price, such as $50,000 or $75,000. The card may also set cost limit on the per incident amounts for loss of use charges. Time limits. Card based coverage typically features time limits of 15 to 30 consecutive days. The limit usually depends on where you are renting the vehicle, with longer limits more widely available abroad. For example, for example, if you want to rent a car for more than 15 days, you may need to turn the car in and rent a new car for a new rental period. The limits may vary based on where you have rented the car, with longer time limits abroad as in the United States. Declining coverage. The to activate your car's coverage, you must decline the rental company's collision damage waiver, that is also called CDW or damage waiver. If you don't it will typically void any benefits you could gain from your card coverage. I hope you understand the video.